Hi everyone, welcome to Descriptive Analysis in MS Excel. So Microsoft Excel descriptive data. So we will focus now on descriptive data. So what is descriptive data? It has now measure of central tendency and measure of variability. So when we say measure of central tendency, we have the mean, median, and mode, or the average for the mean. For the variability, we have the range, variance, and standard deviation. So there is a very long process when you use a spreadsheet on it. However, in Excel, there is a feature that you can easily get all this data in one click. Okay? Okay, here's how to activate first your data analysis. So you go with File, and then click File, and then go to Options. So Options, you'll have now go to Add-ins, and then you click now Go. So you check now Analysis Toolpack and Analysis Toolpack DBA, so that the data analysis would be activated. Now, it would be activated, so you can check now there is data analysis on data tab. Now, assuming now I have here a data grades of respondents. So we have now respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me drag that. So up to 10. Assuming in just a hypothetical data, so they have now, let's say 88, 85, 92, 75, 76, 83, 84, 90, 95, and then 98, then 84. Now, we have 10 respondents, and this is now our data. So you have now 88, 85, 92, 75, 76, 83, 84, 90, 85, 84. So we want to get now its descriptives. When you say descriptives, you want to get the measure of central tendency and its variability. Now, if you have your data analysis, if it's activated, so you just click now data analysis. So it's just processing. So there's now an instant computation. So you go with descriptive statistics. So we have now descriptive. So we now select now the data that we want to have, the descriptives. So I include the label. So I check now labels in front row. And then I could check now where I would want to put the answer. Now, this is where I want to put the answer. Now, I'm going to check now summary of statistics. Okay? So, summary of statistics will be the basic. And then, in an instant, we'll have now the following details. So, we have here, let's have this one. So, let me just put this up, so that it's much easier for us to see this one. So we have now our mean, or the average, median of 85.4, and then we have now mode of 85, standard deviation, and then sample variance. So we have now this one. So we have the range. So we have now the basic, which is the mean, median, and mode, the range, the variance, standard deviation. So that's how it works with descriptives. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching data analysis in MS Excel.